All right, good morning, boys and girls. So here we are. If I'm going to show you how to email Miss Prudente and access your email. So there's one of two ways you can do this. You can, when you log in, you should get something like this. You're going to see, if you see this where it says Gmail, you can go ahead and click that, and it will send you to your inbox right here, where you can see all the information that I've sent to you, all the assignments I've sent, I've posted, I've returned, announcements that I've posted as well. Also, if you go back, you can also use the waffle right here. If you click on the waffle, you can go right here where it says Gmail, and you click on that, and it also leads you through to access your email. So to email Miss Prudente, you want to click compose or email, and then you're going to put for two, you're going to type in Miss Prudente's name. So you're going to put NI, and then you will see my name pop up. You're going to click on that, and then you want to make sure you put a subject. Say that you need help on an assignment. You're going to give me the assignment. So you're going to tell me help, and then you're going to give me the assignment. So I know which assignment you're looking at. So maybe you need help on your grammar. So you're going to say grammar, and then adjectives and sentences. And then you're going to type your message. You're going to click on the next box. You're going to say, then you're going to type, Miss Prudente, I need help with this assignment. I am not sure what to do. Okay. Then you would click on the send button down here. Boys and girls, do not send me a billion messages, especially if you're working on one assignment. Send me one message, one email only. Do not send me 50 emails about the same question, about the same assignment, okay? Though I do rather prefer still you using Clever to message me, but please do not, it's the same thing. Write it once. You don't have to write it a million times. Send me one message about one assignment, and that's it. This one would be a great one if over the weekend you need information and help to use an email. But I'd much rather prefer you still using Clever Messages to message me. But this is just another way to get a hold of me. But please do not send me more than one email for your assignments. If you have, okay? So, because then I will end up ignoring it and I will miss your assignment. If you send me, what I mean is if you send me too many emails, it might read your email as spam and not let me see your email. So don't send me multiple emails, especially about the same assignment. Please be patient with me as I go through, because it takes me time. You got to be very patient with me, because I have other things to do as well. So I know you're working on assignments, but I also have other work, like making sure I try to get you your grades. So I don't always see it right away. You're going to have to be patient. All right, boys and girls. So that's how we access our email and email our teacher, Miss Prudente. Also, you can put this screen into a bigger screen, so you can do it like that. And in so that you can see it bigger. If it doesn't bother you, you can just stay small like this. And then when you're done, ready to send the email, you can just select send. Please know you are not able to email anybody else. You're only able to email me as your teacher. All right. I hope this helps. Thanks. Bye.